So my favorite smartphone that's been my number one, that's been in my pocket for the past 2 years, is the OnePlus 12. My favorite Samsung smartphone has been the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That has been a beast of a phone, beating out my Galaxy S25 Ultra in some key areas such as battery life. And I absolutely love the curved display that Samsung put on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And plus, it's powerful enough to get the job done. Plus, it's up to date, got the latest build of Android. Well, I might have to move on to my Galaxy S25 Ultra temporarily because of one issue that happened to me. Let me explain. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So yes, I dropped my Galaxy S23 Ultra and broke the display. But before I broke the display, I noticed that I was getting some burn-in with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. The display got some burn-in. So I already knew I was looking to replace the display either way. So what happened? Well, it's simple. I had a glass screen protector on it, and but not a case because I have a wood case on the back, and I dropped it. And unfortunately, the glass screen protector just couldn't handle the force. So it cracked the display. So I took the glass screen protector off, and even with the wooden back that protected the back, I still broke the display. So look, I'm going to replace this about next week, right? I'm going to send my Galaxy S23 Ultra off to get a screen replacement. Look, this is my, my number 2 daily driver, right? And look, don't get me wrong, I love this device. This is why I went from the Galaxy S25 Ultra to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, because I absolutely love this. So what do we learn from this, right? Look, shit happens. I've dropped phones and broke displays before. I got over 200 phones. And so, yeah, it happens. Look, I've been using the Galaxy S23 Ultra for about 2 years. But one of the things that I did notice about the Galaxy S23 Ultra is that, it's got a little burn-in on the display. I started noticing that a few weeks ago. And I was going to get this display replaced either way. But when I dropped it, look, don't get me wrong, it still worked, but half the display is kind of like a two-tone. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to, go to the S25 Ultra until I fix the S23 Ultra. Again, what I learned from this experience, maybe I might take the wood back off here and just put a case on here, put another glass screen protector on here. But yeah, shit happens, right? So, it's one of those things, man, that if you drop your device, no matter what, if you got a glass screen protector on it or not, you could still break the screen. Look, I had a glass screen protector on, a nice curved glass screen protector on here that I've been having for, almost 2 years. And the impact of the drop broke the glass screen protector and cracked the display itself. But I wanted to make this video to let y'all guys know that my daily driver, which is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, screen broke. I dropped it and the shit happens, right? The display broke. But I did notice burn-in. So maybe I had a defective display in the first place, because usually Samsung device, their newer devices, don't get burn-in this quick. Now, I've been using it, for about 2 years. So, it's been going through a lot of wear and tear. But having burn-in after 2 years of use, kind of make me question that I might have had a defective display in the beginning, and I didn't realize that. But now, since I broke the display, I'm going to get it replaced. So no more burn-in, and I'm going to get a fresh display. So yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments. Have you ever experienced burn-in on your latest Galaxy devices? I mean, I haven't seen burn-ins on Samsung devices since like the Galaxy Note 9. But the Note 20 Ultra, I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I got the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I don't have no burn-ins on none of those devices. But yes, on my Galaxy S23 Ultra, I noticed some burn-in. If I get this device replaced, if I get the screen replaced, I would definitely go back to it because I'm waiting on the Galaxy S26 Ultra to see if I can kind of trade the Galaxy S25 Ultra in. Look, this is not one of my favorite devices. The battery life, to me, is not on par with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As far as performance, I mean, look, I mean, it is what it is, right? The performance is good on the S23 Ultra. And the performance is good on the S25 Ultra. The cameras, hey, listen, I mean, if you know how to work your camera system, you could get a great shot either or. So I don't have no issues with cameras, thinking that the S25 cameras are just mind-blowing. Matter of fact, I've been more disappointed with the camera system on the Galaxy S25 Ultra than with the S23 Ultra. I believe that the camera system is better in so many ways, especially with the zoom lenses that you get on the S23 Ultra versus the S25 Ultra. So to me, overall, with the curved display, the performance, and the camera system, and the battery life, to me, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the overall better device to me. Forget all of the new Snapdragon chipset and all that stuff. That means nothing. And I always say this, right? Just because the device is new don't mean it's better. So I always tell people that, right? Because even if a device is new, doesn't mean it's better. Now, if the S26 Ultra doesn't, be better than the S25 Ultra or even the S23 Ultra, I don't know. Maybe I might want to wait till the S27 Ultra. I got enough devices to put SIM cards in to tickle my fancy in so many ways, right? So other than that, let me know down in the comments below. Man, I'm not sad about it. I mean, I knew when I discovered the burn-in, I knew that I was going to replace the display. But now since I dropped it, and yeah, I got to replace it sooner than later. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about cracked displays in all its glory. It's not glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.